morning everyone, I'm Dario, this is my girlfriend Cecilia, and we're traveling around Australia in a camper van to show you the best spots Australia has to offer. To give you guys a little bit of a recap, we were in Phillip Island in the last episode in which we got to see the cute penguins. After that we headed back to Melbourne for minor engine repairs. Luckily we got that fixed. And straight away we headed all the way up to where we are now, which is Paynesville. There's something really interesting about Paynesville we want to show you later on in this episode. But I also want to give a shout out to Ricardo, who works in Gippsland Rover over in Yarram. He helped us initially fix the car, so I want to say a special shout out to him. We also got to meet his lovely daughter Anara, so special shout out to her too. But first we're going to pack up the van, do some dishes and cleaning. I'm going to have a shower and then we'll get going.
I play the role. I'm a people pleaser. Who I am got lost in the speaker tweeter. Teeter-totter tween neo-soul prima donna.
And one of the best things about Australia is there's so many public hot showers wherever you go. It's a bit windy today, but there's hot showers everywhere.
Y'all some monsters. Snarl fangs out like we mapped the chomp, y'all. Brawl hard beat down on the man at Smash Bros. Don't slam no T-toes, just see stick hitting. Game true, baby, no PS prisms might be a prison of this sand around me. Hope I don't drown in the reef this week like it's all on my nose, but I hate the stench of low tide.
Alright, so that's basically us. We're at the ferry parking and we'll show you exactly where we're going. Right now we're on the Koala walk. This is the trail where apparently you can see lots of koalas. It's kind of what makes Raymond Island and Paynesville, I guess, so special, is that there's just so much you can see.
And the ferry ride was so funny. Like literally like 2 minutes.
Just a 2-minute drive.
It's so close. But the good part is, if you want to just walk around and you're not taking your car with you, it's for free, which is great.
Yep. And if you are taking your car, I think it's only like $13, $14.
Not sure, but
So super cheap.
it's great.
So if you wanted to bring your car here, you can. Hopefully we can capture some koalas in the trees. And we've already spotted our first little animal. That's a little echidna right there. It's super cute. Really spiky back. That's their defense mechanism. But it's so cute. Look at it.
Oh, the nose, the long nose.
Oh my god. It's a little bit hard to see, but there's a koala just resting right there. It's so high up. And there's Cecilia just stomping, just in case there are any snakes here. So how did you feel about the koala?
They're so cute. I saw them just once before in the wild on Great Ocean Road, so now it's the second time. I just hope we're gonna see something a little bit closer. This was so high up, but still so cute.
And there's so many of them.
Well, I hope so, but where are they? We have to find them. We are in the beginning of the trail, so.
And we've just seen a second koala just up in the tree.
It's like literally on somebody's garden. That's so cute.
Imagine waking up and then you can just see koalas. There's another little koala just having a rest. Seems like that's all they like to do is just have a good sleep. Wow, they're just hanging out. And there's just so many colourful parrots. Wow. So it's so cool. There's a lot of kind of Australian native animals on this little island, Raymond Island. So make sure if you are in Paynesville, this is a cool place to come. And it's just a nice little walk. A lot of families here. What do you think so far?
Very quiet.
Very quiet. Living here would be hard, but there's just so much nature, which is pretty awesome. There's just so many koalas here. And there's one just there. As you saw, we saw the little baby koala over there. Ah, so awesome. So cool to see. Just one sleeping. And we've seen so many already. Just everywhere you look, you see heaps of them. There's another little one. We're pretty hungry, so I think we're just gonna have a bit of a snack.
Oh yeah, we didn't even have any breakfast. Oat bar?
I'll take an oat bar.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. So I think from here, we're going to go a little bit further along the trail. I mean, off the trail. I think we spoke to another person that said there's a tree full of koalas this way. Hopefully we can see them. If not, that's okay.
They should be like much lower, so you can have a better view.
My lips are all dry.
I'll leave you last bite.
And back again we go. So that was about half the koala. As I'm just looking at a koala right now. Wow. There's a koala over there.
Where?
Yeah. So that was about half the koala trail. I think now we're going to start heading back towards where we came in. We both need to use the toilet pretty bad. And then we might hop into the van. Oh, there's a koala. It's looking at us. Over there.
Oh my god.
Try to capture it, guys. So as I was saying before, I rudely got interrupted by these cute koalas. I think we're gonna head back to the van and then we might cook some dinner because we're pretty hungry. All we've had is one little oat bar and we're feeling a little peckish, like we want a bit more. So we might cook something to eat, nice warm meal on this cool day. It's not too cold anymore. I think it's got up to about 19. But it's still a bit cloudy, a bit windy. So what are we cooking for dinner?
I'm not sure. What do you feel like it?
Gee, I've got no idea either. Something warm.
Yeah, we could have, a curry.
You want to do a curry again? Yeah, I think we got tikka masala.
I like it.
Perfect. So what do you say?
Oh my god, there is another one. And she's like facing to us.
Really? Oh,
She's
it's
so
right there.
cute.
You can see its cute little face. That's very cute. So I think that's about it. I think that's all the koalas we can really shoot for one day.
We just saw so many of them. They're like literally everywhere. We stopped counting, right? They're so cute.
So many. And there's so many eucalyptus trees here in which they'd love to cling on to because they can just eat all day. And you can get a little bit high from eucalyptus if you eat so much of it as they do. And that's why they sleep most of the day. I'm not sure if it's totally accurate, but apparently around 23 hours of a day is when they sleep.
Which is also, that would be a pretty good life, no? Imagine you would sleep all the time.
I would wake up so refreshed. But that's about it for the walk. So we might just kind of start
Oh my
heading
God,
back.
there's another one.
So many. We might just
Everywhere.
walk back to the ferry, use the bathroom, and then head back to the van. And we're going to cook a nice warm meal because we're pretty hungry at this moment. We only had the oat bar to eat and a little bit of water. So I think it's time for us to have a proper meal.
But the day turned out pretty nice.
Really nice compared to this morning where it was all cold.
And cloudy.
Yeah, so
It's a
sounds
good
good.
trip. You would
Yeah.
highly recommend it. I also like
Highly.
just the nature here. I love it. It's so different compared to my country.
Czech has some good nature too, though.
Oh yeah, but it's not like this.
You don't get koalas, but Czechia is pretty good. Czech Republic. She'll kill me if I say Czechia. But Czech Republic, it's pretty good too. So what were your thoughts on Raymond Island?
I absolutely loved it. I'm so glad that we came, and also I'm happy that we wait for some better weather. But it was amazing. They're just everywhere, and they're so cute. And I like the landscape so much as well. What about you? How did you like it?
I really liked Raymond Island. The fact that there's so many koalas everywhere and all this beautiful nature, and it's free. It's pretty insane. It's just beautiful, and it has like a sense of freedom here. That it's like you just come, you explore, and yeah, it's really nice. So that was pretty much Raymond Island. At the moment, we're just on the ferry, and in about a couple minutes, we're going to be heading back to Painesville, main island.
And even though I was talking about dinner the entire time when we were on the island, when we came back it was like 2 o'clock. So we are actually going to have breakfast. Well, it's more like a brunch, but we have usually just 2 meals per day anyway. Usually have like really late breakfast-ish, and then we are having like one more meal in the evening, warm meal.
So for me, just granola and then some sultanas and dried fruits with a bit of milk. And for Cecilia?
I'm having my yogurt. I love grapes and some granola as well.
So we found this cozy little camp spot in Lakes Entrance. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from where we were in Painesville. We've come here. It offers 2 free days of camping, and then every day after that is $25 a day, which is pretty cheap. So we might stay here just for the night, and then we might move on a little bit further in town. The cool thing about this spot, there's a lot of amenities. It offers 240-volt outlets to charge your batteries. It has hot showers, toilets, all that type of stuff, even free kayak hire. That is pretty awesome stuff. So right now we're just going to cook a nice little curry because it's starting to get a little bit cold and starting to get a little bit darker. And we're going to have that curry at just a picnic table right outside a van. So that sounds pretty cool. Cecilia's going to cook it all. I'm just standing here because she can't pronounce Lakes Entrance or Painesville. There you go. This is such a cozy little area.
Yeah, I cannot wait to explore a bit more on the Lake Entrance later on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. And hopefully we can bring you guys a little drone shots of what it looks like down below because it is beautiful.
We should do that, 100%.
Yeah, it might be in the next episode, but it's stunning. Yeah. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, my love.
So guys, that's basically us done. We're stuffed, we're tired, we're full. I think it's about time to hit the bed.
Yeah, we're ready to cuddle and get cozy. Probably watch some movie. That's what we usually do.
Yeah, it was a pretty long day. We went that long walk on Raymond Island and saw all the cute koalas everywhere. It's pretty special.
Amazing.
Yeah. That's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and
Follow along the way.
yeah. See you guys. Good night.